Champion mountain climber takes own life after losing girlfriend in avalanche. A professional mountain climber has taken his own life after his girlfriend was killed in an avalanche. Hayden Kennedy and Inge Perkins were backcountry skiing on Mount Mt. Montana in the U.S. when they were trapped by a 45-meter-wide avalanche. Perkins, who was a skilled ski mountaineer, was fully buried and died on the mountain. Kennedy was partially buried, and while he survived the initial avalanche, he was unable to survive the unbearable loss of his partner in life, his father revealed in a heartbreaking Facebook post. Having lived for 27 years with the great joy and spirit that was Hayden Kennedy, we share the loss of our son and his partner Inge Perkins as a result of an avalanche in the southern Madison Mountains near Bozeman, Montana, on October 7, Michael Kennedy wrote. Hayden survived the avalanche but not the unbearable loss of his partner in life. He chose to end his life. Myself and his mother Julie sorrowfully respect his decision. It's understood Kennedy desperately searched for Perkins before leaving the area and taking his own life. Perkins' body was recovered by the Gallatin National Forest Avalanche Center at the base of Mount Imp on October 9. Tributes poured in for the adored couple, with friends struggling to come to terms with their sudden death. To say Hayden was a talented climber would be an understatement, friends from Black Diamond Equipment High wrote in a touching Instagram post. To say he was one of the world's best climbers is closer to the truth, yet even those words fall flat and fail miserably at truly describing what Hayden, or HK as we called him, really represented in our sport.